Hi teams, I thought we'd try something a wee bit different for a Sunday when we're talking to you. I know we've been doing these videos for 3 weeks now, and we're going to try as Community Pharmacy Scotland and look after your mental health, because I know you'll be in the house for a wee while now if you're doing your days and looking for something to do. Some of your kids may well be coming up to Easter holidays, and this is something that I'm sure you could get them involved in. What I thought I would do, because my downtime or some times when I need to get some time away and get some relief, I actually bake. So some of you all know that already. If you know me, I quite like to bake. So what I thought I'd do today is show you how to make Harry's mum's fruit loaf. So I've got the ingredients out in front of you, and during the day I'll do my shout outs as well as we go through this. So I thought we'd just get started and we'll do something a wee bit different today. So the ingredients: you need 4 ounces of oats, just rolled oats, 4 ounces of plain flour, 4 ounces of caster sugar, 4 ounces of fruit, this time it's Sultanas, which I prefer, 1 ounce of butter, 1 egg, and today's magic ingredient is baking soda. So that baking soda, bicarbonate soda, not baking powder, baking soda. The first thing you have to do, and that's a level teaspoon of baking soda. You add that into your 4 ounces of fruit. And this, if you're doing this with the kids, this is the only bit that you would need to do. You get a newly boiled kettle and you take 1 cup of boiling water, just up to there, and that goes in to your fruit. And for the pharmacy teams who are watching this, what the baking soda does, it actually helps neutralise the acid in your fruit, makes it a bit sweeter when the loaf gets baked, and also it acts as the rising agent. So you just make sure that's well mixed. Now what we have to do now is wait on that cooling down, and you'll see the reason why shortly. So we'll just stop for a wee while and I'll come back to you when we put the rest of the loaf together. Thanks team, that's us now back because our fruit has soaked and cooled down. Just to let you see, it's now big and swollen there and plenty of water in it, and that's the way you want that to be. So now what we'll do is put the rest of the loaf together. You just need your bowl. First in goes your 4 ounces of oats. Then onto the top of that, your 4 ounces of plain flour. Now to that you add your ounce of butter. That just goes in the top of your flour. Now what you have to do now is you work the butter into the flour and oats mix. So just use your fingers. It's actually quite good. This is where it's quite good when you get the kids to give you a hand with this. So you just rub that particular in and through till it disappears. So while I'm doing that, today I'm going to do your shout outs. Well, I've got a wee bit of time to do that. The first one we'll go up to is all the team up at Wallistown Pharmacy. That's up in Dundee. We know you've been dealing with mega volumes over the last 3 weeks, so thanks for everything you're doing. I know everybody up there is really appreciative of it. The second one is really the pharmacy owners in NHS Lothian. We'd like to say a big thanks to Don Owen and Aileen Bogue, and for all the support you've been giving the network and the pharmacy champions there. So again, thanks ladies for doing that. In terms of my third one, I'm going to come along to the central pharmacies now, and that's, you've been kind enough to tell us that you're finding our videos quite relaxing actually at night and a bit of a support, so thanks for the feedback. But really just to say to you that I know Gavin McLaren and Parvez Aslam, really grateful for everything you've been doing and looking after the patients and what you do for the pharmacy. And Parvez, I might just see you back in the golf course maybe in a few months' time, but you just never know. And the last one for today, I'm going to go all the way up to Brora. Hello up there to Katrina Singler and the team. I know Katrina, you normally tune in, so I hope you're enjoying this wee change and we haven't forgotten about you. So it's nice to see you, and we'll catch you sometime next week for the board meeting. So really that's just as much as that comes, just to let you see, you end up with quite a nice crumb that comes through that between your flour and your oat mix. So once you've got that all rubbed in, you have no bits of butter left. As you feel that, as you go through with your fingers, in goes your sugar, so you have 4 ounces of caster sugar, and that you just work into the mix. So you end up with quite a nice, balanced and ready dry mix. Now to that, what I did before, I said we had 1 egg, So I've already beaten the egg for you, and that just goes straight into the middle of the mix. And what you can do, you can use it, beat it in with a fork, just for a bit, but really, that isn't any fun, so we'll just use our fingers. I like you get an idea what the texture is going to be like, and I'll show you that in a wee minute once we get this locked in. And what eventually you're looking for is a bit of consistency, like a cookie dough, quite a soft cookie dough, and it also makes sure that you've got the egg all the way through the mix and put it in your loaf so that it binds it during the bake. So just to let you see, as I say, you end up with quite a nice cookie dough. Now to that, all you need to do, you take all of your fruit and all of the water, that just goes straight in. And this is why I say you like to use your fingers. You just work that through now. Now for anybody that has baked before, you'll probably be, when you do this, you'll find this is really quite a wet mix, and you'll be thinking this can't be right. Well actually it's okay, and that's why if you've never baked before, and I hope this encourages you to have a go, it's actually quite a nice beginner's mix. And what you end up with is really quite a wet mixture. And instead of that, you'll know when you're making porridge, when you get the heat on it with the water and the oat mix, it sets. Well, that has much the same effect on this particular fruit loaf. So that's now nice and mixed in. You take your £1 loaf tin, and I've got it in with a liner there. You can pick these up in Lakeland, John Lewis, Hobbycraft, online. You don't need to use them, you can just grease it with some greaseproof paper or baking foil, or if you just actually grease it and flour it before you put it into the oven, you should be fine. So you get that ready for the oven, and I'm just going to go and wash my hands now, and I'll be back in a minute. So thanks team, that's me back, hands all washed. What I would also advise you do is just give that a couple of clicks onto the top. That knocks any air out of your bake and you don't get any holes in your loaf. So I'm going to put it in the oven now, 180 degrees, centre of the oven, and it will be in for about 45 to 50 minutes, and I'll let you see the results. There we go. Hi team, so that's the loaf being in the oven 180 degrees for 45 minutes. So time to see what we've got. There we go. One loaf, Harry's mum's fruit loaves. And what I'll now do is I'll take that out, leave it to set for a wee while, and I'll come back to you. Okay teams, so that's the loaf began to cool down a bit now. This is a moment of truth for you. We'll give it a cut down through the middle and see what the bake's like. Well, there we go. So, quite nice. Got plenty of fruit through it, running through, and that should be the end of the cake. So, good luck to you with your loaves. I hope you've enjoyed something a wee bit different for a Sunday and giving you something to think about and keep you the mental health. Let us know with some feedback whether you like that type of thing, because CPS Amanda Ray, she's actually a better baker than me, so we could probably get her to make one of her fantastic gingerbreads if that's something you would like to see. So thanks for tuning in today. I hope that makes you feel a bit better, and I'll speak to you again next week. Bye bye now.